Here's a new board version from our replacement Squawk and Talk board. This new version has a set of 5 more dip switches on it. The first one here, dip switch 6, is to turn off and on a custom attract mode for some of the games. When you have it on, we'll play a custom wave file, actually wave file 1, off your SD card instead of the sound that it normally plays in the attract mode. This allows you to have a custom attract sound. The other 4 dip switches are to select the game type. Currently it's in game 2, which is the Flash Gordon, and the other Squawk and Talk games are various other different settings here. This allows you to not have to reprogram the card to swap this board into different games. You will have to put different sounds on the SD card, but you won't have to reprogram the CPU anymore. Game 15 is a custom one that I'll show you at the end of the video to help you figure out what sounds are being played on the game. The attract mode, I'll show you that here in a second. It's set up for the Flash Gordon. The Flash Gordon attract sound is kind of annoying. It plays every minute. I've adjusted it so that when you have it in custom mode, it plays once every 5 minutes. And here's an example of a custom sound. This is kind of neat. I've set up the sound card to, instead of having sounds, to have a person's voice say the number of the file. So when you press down this drop target,
224, 243.
There's a couple numbers that come up.
225.
225 for that one.
224. 210.
That's for A.
212.
212 is for P.
220.
That's the one for the pop bumper.
229. 243. 228. 219. 222.
Kind of neat. It's a way to test out different things on the machine, see what sounds come out.
223.
If you drain the ball.
235.
Whole bunch of stuff there. That's the end of the game.
39.
Let's coin up. Start the game.
245. 217. 244. 200. 225. 223, 200, 220, 225, 223, 227, 243, 217, 254, 227, 223, 200, 253, 248, 248, 220, 200, 241, 221, 254, 223, 218, 254, 220, 222, 235,